If you're looking for a tablet case that balances slim style with serious protection, the OtterBox Prefix Series is worth a look. Designed to shield your device from drops and scrapes, this ultra-slim case fits your tablet like a glove without adding bulk or weight. The Prefix Series features a solid, one-piece design crafted precisely for your tablet model. Its soft touch edges offer a comfortable grip, so it won't slip from your hands. Plus, it slides effortlessly in and out of purses and bags, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. One of the standout benefits is the raised bumper that guards your touchscreen against direct impacts. This means your screen gets an extra layer of defense without sacrificing the sleek profile you want. Installation is quick and hassle-free, just snap it on or off in seconds. OtterBox backs this case with their well-known limited lifetime warranty and stellar customer support. That kind of commitment adds peace of mind, knowing you're protected long after your purchase. Real users have put the Prefix Series to the test with impressive results. One customer shared how their iPad survived a fall from a truck roof and even being run over by a vehicle traveling about 30 miles per hour. While the tablet screen did suffer damage from the road, the case itself remained intact and fully functional. This story highlights exactly what you get with the Prefix Series, a lightweight, low-profile case that holds up in tough situations. It's proof that protection doesn't have to mean bulk or inconvenience. If you want a case that combines durability, style, and ease of use, the OtterBox Prefix Series fits the bill. It's a smart choice for anyone who wants dependable protection without sacrificing portability. Try the Prefix Series when you're ready to give your tablet trusted protection that doesn't slow you down. It's designed to keep your device safe and your daily routine seamless.